Ambulance service. Is the patient awake?
He's having a stroke.
Is he breathing?
Yeah, he's breathing.
Right, tell me exactly what's happened.
He just went back in the chair and he's just staring, gasping for breath.
So stay on the line, okay? I'm organising help
Adrian.
you now. Is he
Adrian.
responding normally?
Adrian, he's not breathing.
He stopped breathing.
Adrian.
Is you there by yourself?
No, I'm in the shop.
Are you able to send someone to get a defibrillator?
Has anybody got a defibrillator anywhere? Oh my God.
Alright, listen carefully, lay him flat on his back on the floor and remove anything from under his head. Listen carefully, I'll tell you how to do chest compression. Place the heel of your hand on the breastbone right between the nipples, put your other hand on top of that hand. Hard and fast, at least twice per second. Right, listen, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, keep doing them over and over. Don't give up. This is going to keep him going until the ambulance
He's still going. Yeah, he's coming back round now.
He's waking up, is he?
Yeah, he's waking up.
What's he doing?
There we go. He's coming back round.
What's he doing?
He's responding a bit more now.
Keep him as he is for now, okay? But stop the compressions if he's responding to you there, right?
Yeah, he's responding better now. The ambulance is here. Okay, yeah, the ambulance is here now. Yeah.
All right, I'll leave you with him, okay? Take care.